Okay, what we have here, this is a broken, it appears to be a broken lid. The lock is off of the lid on this Brumate toddy. And it was tough. There's no video on the internet for fixing this. What are you gonna do? Okay, well, I finally figured out. You can take this lock and snap it on right here, like that. Oh. Snaps it on. Then when you drop it down, it drops into these little titties here. They go into these notches right there. See? And that's the unlock position with a gap there. But when you want to lock it, so it can't, you just slide that forward like that, and then see, then it won't come up. And it's waterproof, sealed, and no leaks in the car, even upside down. But when you want to drink it, you got to remember, you kind of push on this button here and slide forward like that. Then it's unlocked. You can flip it up and drink to your own delight.